Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a fun and liberating topic, breaking the rules of English to improve your English skills. Dear friends, forget about your perfection. It's time to embrace the beauty of communication in its most natural form. So without much delay, let us get started. Number 1, embrace the mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Speaking English is about communicating your ideas, not being perfect. Mistakes are the learning opportunities, so speak freely and learn as you go. Number 2, use informal language. Sometimes the best way to connect with others is through casual conversation. Make use of all these informal phrases into your speech to sound more like a native speaker and make your conversations feel more relaxed. Number 3, mix up grammar. As you know that proper grammar is important, but don't let it hold you back, dear friends. It's okay to mix up tenses or use simple sentences. The goal here is to make yourself understand and engage in the conversations confidently. Number 4, focus on fluency, not on accuracy. Fluency is more important than accuracy, dear friends, in everyday conversations. Keep talking without pausing too much to think about every single word that you are uttering. The more you practice, the smoother your speech will become. Number 5, be yourself, dear friends. Your unique way of speaking is a part of what makes you, interesting. Don't try to sound like someone else. Embrace your accent and personal style. Authenticity will make your conversations more genuine and enjoyable. So there you have it. Break the rules of English can actually help you become a more confident and effective speaker. Remember, dear friends, communication is all about connecting with others, not about being perfect. Keep practicing, dear friends. Stay positive at all the time, and most importantly, enjoy the process of learning and speaking English. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.